Waking up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom is a problem nearly everyone faces. It interrupts deep sleep, makes you groggy in the morning, and leaves you frustrated no matter how early you went to bed. Frequent nighttime urination, known as nocturia, can affect adults of all ages. But the good news is that simple lifestyle habits, especially your evening drinks, can make a big difference. One natural and effective drink is brown rice tea. When prepared and consumed correctly, it can help calm the bladder, support digestion, and reduce the urge to urinate at night. How to prepare brown rice tea. Step 1. Wash and dry the brown rice. Take a handful of brown rice and rinse it thoroughly to remove dust and impurities. Then spread it out in the sun until it is completely dry. This step cleans the rice and enhances its natural aroma when roasted. Step 2. Roast without oil. Place the dried brown rice in a pan over low heat. Stir constantly and roast until the grains turn golden brown and release a fragrant, nutty aroma. Avoid using oil or high heat, as that can alter the flavor and reduce the beneficial compounds in the rice. Step 3. Brew the tea. Add about 2 tablespoons of the roasted brown rice into a cup. Pour in boiling water and let it steep for 15 minutes. The tea should have a warm, nutty aroma and a mild, soothing taste. You can make a large batch and store it in a glass jar in the fridge. Properly roasted brown rice can last for many months, so you always have it ready for a quick cup. Drink the brown rice tea 2-3 hours before sleep. Avoid drinking too close to bedtime, as consuming too much liquid right before sleep can still trigger nighttime urination. How brown rice tea helps according to TCM. In traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, frequent nighttime urination is often linked to kidney key deficiency and an overactive bladder. Brown rice tea supports the body in several ways. Strengthens the kidneys and spleen. In TCM, the kidneys control water metabolism, and the spleen supports the body's fluid distribution. Brown rice tea is warm and nourishing, helping to tonify these organs and reduce excessive urination. Warms the lower burner, lower abdomen and bladder area. A cold or weak bladder in TCM can trigger nighttime trips. Drinking warm brown rice tea helps warm the lower burner, calming bladder spasms and stabilizing urination. Supports digestive health. A healthy spleen and stomach help manage fluid metabolism. Brown rice tea strengthens digestion, which in turn reduces bladder irritation caused by fluid imbalance. Small adjustments, big results. Brown rice tea offers a natural TCM-inspired way to help manage frequent urination. The key is preparation, timing, and moderation. Combine it with other habits, like emptying your bladder twice before bed, elevating your legs in the evening, and avoiding caffeine or alcohol, and you may finally enjoy longer, uninterrupted sleep.